Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing delicious ice cream drawing. Let's start. We'll make delicious ice cream drawing. Wait for end. We complete ice cream drawing. Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors. Red color. Pink color. Yellow color. Magenta color. Orange color. Yellow color. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow oxide color. We complete ice cream drawing with colors. Thanks for watching.